fryer is one of my favorite kitchen appliances. So I've got this silicone air fryer liner to protect it and help it last so much longer. It also just really helps it stay cleaner. It's very convenient. And this is so much quicker and easier to clean, saving you a lot of time and effort. This is really easy to clean. It's dishwasher safe. It is made out of a BPA-free silicone material. It has high heat resist up to 450 degrees, and the silicone is also non-stick. This is definitely something to help improve the life of your air fryer and just simplify things for you in the kitchen whenever you are cooking.